Hi guys. So I have heard lots of things about chemical exfoliation on internet and on YouTube. So I thought why not try it myself and let you guys know about my thoughts on it. So to test it out, I ordered it from Nika and it's just got delivered yesterday. So I got it in this packaging like that. So we are going to unbox it and see that how it looks. So ये ऐसे आता है नायका के अदर प्रोडक्ट्स की तरह बबल रैप कर. I'm just going to read out what the packaging says. Exfoliates dead skin, deep cleanse the pores, restores skin elasticity that we will see, rejuvenates skin, instant glow and freshens. Okay. So this product contains 130 ml of product and it costed me around 700 something. Let me check. It costed me around 725. At the back of the packaging you can see all the ingredients that it has: water, cellulose, propylene glycol, then citrus lemon fruit water, citrus lemon fruit extracts. It has lots of good things as mentioned. Okay, so there is a little disclaimer which says for external use only, do not swallow, keep out of reach of the children and avoid contact with your eyes. There is directions on how to use it. It says deep exfoliating peel off. Begin by washing and drying your face with water. Apply it on the entire face, avoiding eye and mouth area. Massage for 30 seconds. Wash off when the dead skin cells come off. Let's take it out from the box. This is the tube of the product. Very, decent packaging, I think. It has a nasal opening. इसके ऊपर ये लगा हुआ आता है. इसको खोलते हैं हम. Then, so let's get started with the application. Oh. So I'm going to use this much. Oh. Okay. जब भी मैं इसको फेस पे ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ तो इट स्टार्टेड टू बबल अराउंड on my face.
So guys, there are few things that you need to take care of if you are going to use these kind of active exfoliants. So firstly, make sure you are 20 plus. I would not suggest this sort of active exfoliants or active chemical to used on any skin that is not yet mature enough. Second very important thing is that you need to patch test everything that you are going to apply on your skin before using it on your face. You need to patch test yourself to see that if you are allergic to some actives or not. And another important thing is to follow your sunscreen after using it religiously. You do not need to skip your sunscreen for any day. So after applying it lightly with my hands, I'm going to just wash off.
So after washing my face, you can see this is how the skin looks like. यहाँ पे आई थिंक काफ़ी स्मूथ फील हो रहा है बिकॉज जो थोड़े बहुत टेक्सचर्स थे स्किन के वो आई फील फ्लैटन आउट हो गए हैं. मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट हैव एनी एक्टिव एक्ने एंड एक्टिव एक्ने के ऊपर आपको इसको अप्लाई नहीं करना है बिकॉज आई थिंक इट हैज़ सम केमिकल टू एक्सफोलिएट सो दैट कैन रिएक्ट विद योर एक्ने. And again, do not use it on your makeup as it says you have to use it on a clear face. So I can see it is not drying out because some people complain that it makes their skin dry out very quickly. That is not the effect I am getting. So according to me, it is a nice product to have if you are into chemical exfoliation, and it is not that abrasive as the typical exfoliators. It is really smooth and makes your skin so smoother.
So here I am just applying aloe vera gel to my face to calm down the skin. After this I applied my sunscreen properly. Hope it was useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.